How can you save money right now to save yourself from financial ruin and become financially free as we look at real estate, investing, getting yourself ready to set up your own business 101 here at Barry Charles. Come on, click that like button now and subscribe. You know you want to. Bang, bang, let's go. And let's learn how we can cut our own expenses to make ourselves some more moolah ready to attack the world and live more financially free. It doesn't come without hard work. Remember that. Let's get to it here on Barry Charles. Well, welcome to the video, and let's get to the old saying first off here. Live below your means. What does that mean? Does that mean go buy some beans? Does that mean we should be mean to people? Hell no. That's not what we're talking about here. It's meaning to cut expenses and save more. Now, a lot of people do the total opposite. Spend more than what they earn, and they end up in credit card debt. And that's where you don't want to be, because you don't want to be paying. If you can't pay it off in a month, then you start paying 20% on the money you owe, and it's just not a good cycle you want to be in. Trust me, something you don't want to be doing. So what can we do to cut out the expenses? What places can we look at so we can save and start investing tomorrow? Well, first off, what about all your streaming sites here? You got Netflix, you got Disney, you got Apple, you got Amazon, you got so many others that just, we just be going on for days. Fubo TV, you got sports channels, you got cable, you got so many things. If you can cut some of those out, there you go, instant save money. Now, what about your electricity bill, your phone bill, utility bills, all the sort of stuff, your car insurance? Go to them, give them a call and say, hey, can we negotiate price? The worst they can say is no. And basically what you do is go to your competitors, their competitors, and come back to them, hey, they told me I can do this. Will you match or beat it? And often they will, if they want to keep you as a customer, because all the effort to lose a customer is not worth it just for a little bit of money. So there's something you can do to try and cut costs. Obviously, you can go try and, if you do go out for a haircut, get your nails done, ladies, and massage. Look for the cheapest places around. Do some searching. Even when you're buying your groceries, look for cheaper prices. Don't just go for brand names. You can go for the cheaper brands, and they just taste the same. Not always, but if you get to the place and find the right things to buy, you can get it for better discounts than paying an extra couple of dollars, and it just all adds up for you to save more money. What else can we do in terms of one thing you shouldn't do, but a lot of people do. I've even done it myself. So you got to learn from your mistakes. Is investing into a car when you don't have the money for it. Okay? Getting into finance, and especially if the finance is like 10% roughly, this is where you start losing. So if you're saying that your car loan's about 20% of what you make in a month, or even more depending on where your loans are at, that's 20% you could be investing somewhere else. And why I say that is because if you'd done that in the first place, you could have more money and then be able to buy the car outright. Okay, so I've learned the hard way, and that's just what happens in life. If you learn from your mistakes, that is where you really start to grow. If you don't learn from your mistakes and keep doing the same thing over and over again, you will continue to be bankrupt or living paycheck to paycheck. And you want to stop that right here, right now. What else can we do? So how do you save? How should you save? Now, obviously you started cutting down your bills, your expenses, and you got more money to say, how much should you save? Well, for a start, 20%. A lot of people say, what, 20%? That's a lot. That's not really a lot, but 20%, you should at least start with 20%, and you put it into a savings account, emergency fund. You can invest it if you like, if you're a bit more medium to high risk. You can invest it in bonds. There's so many options. You got in gold, into Apple stock, into index funds. You got some ETFs. There's so much options out there. I wouldn't say Bitcoin, but Bitcoin could make you a lot too. But I wouldn't want to go there long term. I mean short term, especially if you're looking to invest in either a house or you're looking to start your own business. Have it saved. Saving the term deposit would probably be the best option, or a bond for the shorter term. If you have got a little bit more time horizon, then you can invest into stocks. But yes, what should we do? To me, you need to go for 50%. That's what you should aim to do. So if you're a 2-income family, you roughly earn the same amount of money. One partner's paycheck goes on bills and everything, living, and the other part goes into saving, invest. And that is a surefire way to skyrocket your returns. Now, you can either invest in the stock market. There's so many different ways to invest into the stock market. You can invest into an ETF that has like 500 of the biggest stocks in the world. Same with index fund. You can also go into individual stocks like Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Palantir. There's so many different ones you can choose from and do your own research to learn about it. Or you can save up for a rental property or invest in your own business. Now, there's obviously a bit more to those sort of things. Rental investment, you've got to save up enough capital deposit to get yourself into the zone to be able to buy the property, and then you've got to figure out how much your interest rate's going to be and how much you're going to get out of the rent, and then you've got to save for maintenance and all that. So there's a lot of things that go into starting a rental investment. It's not just as simple as not that passive compared to stocks. It's less passive. And then also, if you really want to go to the business side of things, when you've started saving 50% of your earnings, you can start though. Okay, so there's many side hustles you can do, like this right now, YouTube videos. You can do a lemonade stand. You can do laundromat. You can do vending machines. You can start your own dairy. You don't need, a lot of this stuff, you don't need a lot of money. You need to be able to prove that you can sell it. You can start real estate. Real estate, you don't need much to get yourself started. It's just getting your foot in the door is the biggest thing in real estate. You got to be able to get your foot in the door. So these are ways you can really start to try and run your own business. What should you do if you're struggling? Start a budget. That's a good way to start. Get a budget going. Change your lifestyle. You really need to get your mindset. It's all about mindset. About if you want to start to really make your money grow for you, you have to change your mindset. If you haven't, good ways to do that is just to refocus yourself every day. Have a look at short-term goals into medium-term goals into long-term goals. This is a good way to do it, and you don't have to just do it writing it down. You can have pictures on the wall. You can do a lot of different things that really get yourself impacted into how you want to start saving better and investing into your future so you become more financially free. Well, that's enough from this video from me. I really hope you've enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe and like the video so we can spread the world of finance all around the world. I will be back with more videos again tomorrow. I hope you enjoy this. Take care out there. Enjoy your day or night. See you later.